Good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Jonafi Abaw Makasa, married, 25 years old, and I have two children, ages 7 years old and 5 years old. I am a college undergraduate, taking up a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in mathematics. I have three brothers and one sister. I am the number four of the family. My previous work here in the Philippines, I can do different household chores, cooking, ironing, gardening, marketing, and washing clothes. I am a computer literate. I can do a child tutorial to their studies. I can promise to my future employer that I can do my best to serve their family for their safety of their children. I can work without their supervision. I can manage everything they want. I can follow their different instruction for the sake of their family and for the sake of their house. Thank you.